Okay, so I just want to go over to myself why I um, almost exactly predicted what we would do today. So I'm just gonna start out with marking out the 9:30 open. So the thing is, when we came into this day, I'm looking at the market in a sense of how much power do we have, and considering we've the past week and also on Monday made significant moves. I am expecting to have a calm day, especially when we're in the middle of a range. So I'm going to explain just why. Last week we had this, let's see here, this huge move down, taking out everything we wanted to take out. That is October low, no, sorry, January low and December low. You can see here the white lines. We took those out, came into the, let's see, I think it was, yeah, this daily open. I don't know why it's not showing correctly. I think we need to, 1 second. Yeah, no? Chart 2 weekly close. I don't know why it shows up like that. Just 1 second. I don't actually know why it is like that. It should be, as pointed out, the weekly close and weekly open. Maybe it's the contracts difference or something. I don't know why it's so skewed, why it's so off. That's really weird. Sorry. I just need to figure this out. These lines are wrong. The 2 weekly open September should obviously be up here. That one's right. 23,970. Oh, so fucking annoying. Sure, 2 weekly open September. Definitely not there. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna keep these annotations, these lines, and just go over why I anticipated this move today. So last week we had the dump down. It's pretty hard to explain, but we had this dump down and this chart, this line here, chart 2 weekly close, this orange line, should actually be a daily open. A bullish daily open should be this open, which we reacted to. I don't know why this line is skewed. It doesn't show anything. They honestly they just changed the charts. It's really weird. This 305 line. This 305 line should be a daily or weekly open or close. But as you can see, it's not. It's really weird. But we reacted here, and this is where where I saw it bottom out. We had this rally on Friday, and Monday we also rallied above Sunday's high, and all of these highs. So basically, when we came into here, I have these lines annotated, which are of my interest. We're in the equilibrium of the range, and honestly, everything I say, like the equilibrium and yeah, you see this at 1 hour SIB and everything. It doesn't like that's not the reason I knew what we were going to do. It's more like narrative, like how we have been moving and what way we could be moving today. So what I saw in market open was this internal high and this internal low. That's the only things I saw, which is very easy to say in afterhand, but it's true. So what I was expecting was actually, first of all, I actually saw us going further down. So what I was looking at market open was we hadn't taken out any of the liquidity. So I was honestly slowly just looking at the other indexes, just really quick to see if they have taken the the 2 p.m. high, which we didn't do on S&P, but on YM we rallied at 9 here. Yeah. What was it? Yeah, before market open, we already rallied. Let's see here, 9:30. I need to just do like this, something like whatever, like that. So at 9:30 exactly, we rallied, and what I was looking at 9:30. Let's see, here's 9:30. We already rallied, taking the sell side liquidity out. And the only thing I was looking at here was if we want to say buy side or sell side, or so we took to buy side or sell side. And when I was seeing signs of we've already taken that buy side on my end, I was looking more bearish, and what I was looking at was only just this. This is the thing that wants to take me down, and yeah, then it's just a matter of going down, and took my profits at this here, at this low, because beneath this low I'm not so certain of anything. More so if we want to go further up, which we did. We took out my sell liquidity, and after that, I don't want us to see us going anywhere else. I want to see us stay in the range, and that's exactly what we've done the whole day. Take the internal sell side, internal buy side, or it could be external as well, and then just ranged. That's exactly what I anticipated for today. I didn't anticipate anything big. These were the only things I anticipated. And once again, honestly, it just comes down to narrative, I would say. And another big thing didn't mention here is to say, it's a previous high. No, it's nothing. Sorry, but it all comes down to narrative, basically. Something that's really hard to teach, and I'm trying to learn it myself. But some days you can just anticipate what's more likely to happen. And today was the day where we could pretty obviously see, I think, that we were just gonna range, taking these sell side and buy side pools at max. I was just expecting this one, to be honest, and then we could range. But this one was my first. And once we've taken these ones, nothing's gonna happen. Really clear day of what was going to happen, honestly, I think. That's it. I think I want to be a little bit more clear though. But I do think I've annotated like everything I need to say. Yeah, it's pretty That's pretty much everything I wanted to say. Today we did that. Had a big expansion yesterday. And I'm not expecting us to expand the same way today. And I think it's a lot of because this internal price action until 9:30, what we were doing, and we did. So I didn't think we were gonna expand. Definitely not here, but also not melt down. At least not in the AM session. I am actually open to see what happens in the PM session because I think we could, maybe not necessarily PM, but in Asia and London next day, melt down um, like just like this, and then see something else. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, that's what I anticipated for today. These highs and lows, just internal highs and lows. I think we're gonna have these days sometimes where that's the only thing we wanna go for. Yeah.